Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters, I hope you are well. Rihanna has come under fierce criticism after lingerie models at her latest fashion show danced to a song which appeared to remix an Islamic hadith. On Friday, the Barbadian singer launched Savage X Fenty Volume 2, the second edition of her lingerie line, accompanied by a pre-recorded fashion show which aired on Amazon Prime. Social media users noticed that in one segment of the show, models danced to a song called Doom by London-based producer Koku Choloi. The song samples a narration of a hadith, a saying by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It uses vocal samples from verses of hadith that have been sped up with dance music and mixed to a beat. The hadith in question appears to have remixed a recitation by Kuwaiti preacher Mishari bin Rashid Al-Afsi. Muslims and non-Muslims alike took to social media to criticize Rihanna, accusing her of disrespecting Islam by using the sacred text in a sexualized context. Some have noted that Rihanna used Doom, which appears to draw on the theme of Judgment Day in the Hadith segment, in another fashion show 3 years ago. The fact that it's Rihanna's second time using the Hadith makes it even worse. Rihanna has also been accused of appropriating Islamic dress. Last year's Savage X Fenty lingerie launch featured women, including Palestinian-American model Bella Hadid, with their hair covered in a way that some interpreted as similar to hijab. Back in 2013, Rihanna was asked to leave Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi after posing for photos in a way that was deemed inappropriate. The singer later posted pictures on Instagram covered head to toe in black, including one post with Muslim women in the background, captioned, "The latest controversy raises yet further concerns about Rihanna's perceived use of Islam as an aesthetic. She is certainly not the first hip-hop star to utilize Arabic or Islamic phrases in music, with singer Drake most recently doing so." Brothers and sisters, this has been going on way too far now. Rihanna is majorly responsible for this even if she didn't choose the music. She hired her team to work for her and therefore must have heard the songs beforehand. Rihanna, being a celebrity, doesn't get a free pass to insult our religion. The reason as to why this is more disappointing is because the models in her fashion show are not catwalking and dancing to any other Arabic song. They are shaking their bodies on the hadith of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam relating to the Day of Judgment. Astaghfirullah. Brothers and sisters, this is indeed very upsetting. Using Islam as an aesthetic for body fashion shows, music records, or any other form of entertainment is inappropriate and is utterly disrespectful. Islam is our religion, not any form of aesthetic. The speed through which our world is moving forward, we have surely reached to the end of times. Islam and Muslims have been openly targeted and portrayed negatively. To conclude it, brothers and sisters, whether unintentionally or unknowingly, Rihanna definitely owes an apology to the Muslim community this time for disrespecting us to a whole another level. So brothers and sisters, what are your thoughts on this matter? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you liked our video, then hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.